What is a private key in crypto? To answer you quickly, it's something that you'd use as a password for your crypto assets to store them and to be able to transact with them. If you want a more detailed answer, stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Jutin Al-Ahmed and today I'm going to be discussing what a private key is in crypto. A private key is something that every individual needs. How do you create this? Let's begin with that. You would create this by creating a 24-word seed phrase. That seed phrase itself is a private key. It's a large number of digits, characters, numeric. It's something that's a very, very long piece of information. This is then translated into words, of which we know of the 12-word, 18-word, or the 24-word for our seed phrase. This can even be changed into something called a Shamir backup. Do watch my video regarding BIP39 and SLIP39. But this is something which would create a key for you. The private key itself is something that's owned by each individual. It's something that's allocated just to you, yourself. It identifies you. It identifies that you're the owner and somebody that has the authority to be able to do something with that private key. It's like, for example, if I was the owner of a property, only me on the deeds, I didn't have no spouse, no kids or nothing, it was just myself. If I wanted to enter that home, I have a key, right? That key is mine. It identifies that I'm the owner of this place. I have access to this home. Anybody that has a replica of that key would also have access to your home. Therefore, the private key is something that you need to keep safe. I always come on to this. Safety of your private key and storage of your private key is so paramount. You have to. It's the same as giving, if you ever lost your private key, it's the same as giving the key to your house to a stranger, or for some people worse, giving your bank account credentials to somebody, because they can just take all of your funds in an instant moment. The private key in the crypto space holds access to your funds. Normally, a private key is used on a hardware wallet or a software wallet. This allows you to have control of your own private key. It gives you access to your own private key. What do I mean? When you create a software wallet, you normally get your 12 words. This you write down, so you have access to your private key. If you want to ever go into a different software wallet, you can just put in that private key and you get access to your funds again. Hardware wallet, same process. You would store your 24 words or your 18 or 12 words if you want to go with that kind of words. But yeah, you would store that again. Now, I wanted to just highlight a difference to you. This is private keys that you can visually manage and you have under your control. When you have an account in an exchange, for example, I just want to highlight this. Your private key isn't your private key. It's owned by the exchange. I have another video discussing what an exchange is, and I do discuss what they actually do with the private key. But just in summary, your private key on an exchange is owned by the exchange. They're letting you use a wallet address of the private key that they own. Therefore, as you hear everywhere, not your keys, it's not your funds, it's not your wallet. Okay? Just be safe out there. I just want to also pop the fact that I'm not some tax advisor or some financial advisor or some legal advisor. I'm truly an entertainer. Lol. But basically, I try and be an educator, somebody that wants to allow people to learn more about crypto and the whole space. Don't listen to my advice. It's just information. Do your own research. And yeah, if you enjoyed my video, do pop a thumbs up. Like my video, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Comment down below. I always do this, the typing. Comment down below if you have anything that you want to say to me. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all next time all. Take care. Bye-bye. Did you like what you saw and what you heard in this video? Well, pop a thumbs up And do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Comment down below if you have anything that you want to say to me. And lastly, let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.